My family and I have lived in our house since 2006, and over those 17 years, my room has gone through a lot of different phases, from my pink floral phase to my Visco girl era, and then whatever you would consider this as. My room has been through a lot of changes. So now in my 20s, it's officially time to have a room that reflects more of who I am. From repainting to all new furniture to new decor, we'll be fully transforming my room into a space that I love.
First things first, I need to paint my room. I need to repaint my room. So earlier, my parents and I went to Lowe's and we picked out a color that I loved. So basically, I was going for like a super light shade of pink, like almost white, but like pink. Painting day is tomorrow. I'm gonna paint my whole room tomorrow. I don't know if you can tell, but right now it's like a blue gray, like super light color. I don't like it. I've never really liked it. So since I'm gonna be painting tomorrow, I need to take out all of my furniture and everything and take down everything off of my walls, which won't take long. My walls are pretty bare. There's like nothing here besides that. Okay, so I've cleared everything off of my walls and out of my room except for my bed and my bookshelf and my light. Literally, my room is kind of scary right now. Like, I really don't like the way it looks. It's like the whole room is just like empty and it's kind of scary. But yeah, so that's all for now. So I will see you tomorrow for the painting and I'm so excited. Literally, look, wait, real quick. My walls are like dirty. Like, I know that like that's just like from like lighting candles and stuff, but that's like, it's like dirty. Like, I can't wait to repaint. Okay, so I finished painting my room about like 4:30 last night, but the sun was like starting to set, so the lighting was all weird. So I want to show you right now what it looks like. I absolutely effing love it. Like, it's exactly what I wanted. So this is what it looks like. I literally love it. Like, this is exactly the color I was going for. So I did the entire thing myself. Like, I painted my whole room myself. The only thing my dad did was he put the tape around my ceiling, but I did everything else, and I'm so proud of myself because it turned out so good. So now that my room is painted, we can move on to the next step, which is building my furniture. So as you saw, I built my bed and it looks really good. Don't mind the missing boards. My cat keeps knocking them down. But I don't have my mattress yet, so I've just been sleeping on my old one on my floor. And today is the day that we're going to build my desk and my vanity because I need to get the ball rolling. Like, I need to hurry this up. So I have my desk set up in my room. I absolutely love it. It looks so good. And all that I've done so far is I just put my computer, obviously, and then my keyboard, my mouse pad, and my mouse. And then my boyfriend filled this up with stuff for me for Christmas. So I just put this on here. I think it looks nice. It could like hold some things. So now I'm going to organize my desk and bring everything from my old desk to this new one. But I also have a lot of crap in my old desk that we can definitely throw away. So I need to go through everything and decide what I need to keep and what I want to throw away, and then we can make this look all cute and organized. Okay, so this is all that I had in my desk. I was using my desk as both a vanity and a desk, so I had like hair masks mixed with pencils and papers mixed with makeup and stuff like that. I'm very excited to have both a vanity and a desk now. So my parents got me a chair for Christmas, so I'm gonna set it up right now because that will be the final step to my desk.
Okay, so my mom and I went to Macy's to go mattress shopping, and there was literally only 3 mattresses in our budget. So we tested out those 3 mattresses, and literally the first one that I laid on is the one that we ended up getting because I really loved it.
Guys, I am in desperate need of giving you a room update because it has been so long since I've actually talked to you guys. So basically, I had to take like a pretty big pause in doing things with my room because I was waiting on so many things. So first of all, I was putting together my nightstand 2-3 weeks ago, and I realized that they gave me 2 of the same pieces and they forgot to give me, instead of giving me like 1 and then another piece, so basically I was missing a piece. So I had to contact them and they had to send me a new piece, and it just got here like a week ago. So I was finally able to build my nightstand. So here's that. I actually love it. It's not decorated or anything yet, just like this cute little nightstand, and I love it. It like took so long to like actually be able to set up because I was waiting on that piece for so long. And then my mattress, I don't know why I thought that you just go to the store, pick out a mattress, and then you just take it home with you the same day. I like didn't think that there was the whole like delivery thing, that it takes like 2 weeks to deliver. There was only like 3 mattresses that were like in our price range because they weren't that effing expensive, and this was the first mattress I laid on, and I was like, oh, this is it. Like, this is so comfortable. I need this one. We get it, and then they're like, oh, well, it'll be delivered in 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So I had to sleep on my old mattress just on the floor because I had already gotten rid of my bed frame and everything. So I was just sleeping on my mattress, my old mattress that I've had since I was like this big, and it was so uncomfortable. I literally have like back pain from it now. Like, I'm not trying to be dramatic, but like it was so bad. I was waiting on those things, and I couldn't build my vanity because my mattress was on this wall, and that's where my vanity is gonna go. And so everything was just kind of on like a pause. But now I'm here, I'm back. It's January 15th, and we're going to get the ball rolling with my room again. So I have some packages here that we can open together and then start setting some things up. First, we have this big box. This is what's gonna go above my desk. Okay, so she's very rectangular. I thought she was gonna be more like a square, but she's very rectangular. But this is okay. Like, I think it'll actually fill up like a lot of my wall. I think it'll look good actually. Like, it's better that it looks like this rather than like more normal. So here's my little cork board. So this, I know what this is. It's literally a picture on the side. So this is my mushroom lamp. You've probably seen this all over Pinterest. I fell into the trap of being basic and I bought it. This is gonna go on my vanity. So obviously my vanity is not in my room right now. I haven't built her yet, but this will go on my vanity once I build it. Ta-da! And then next, okay, story time. So stuff like this keeps happening. Like, every time like something gets bought, I like realize there's an issue with it, and then I have to like get a new thing. So basically, this is my new sheet set because I got what I thought was a sheet set for Christmas. It actually turned out to just be a comforter and 2 massive pillowcases. Sheet set! Woo! And of course it's pink because what other color would I be doing? What other color would they be? I need to wash these, and then I have my comforter back here. It's a different pink, but like I did that on purpose so that it could like contrast and stuff. So I'm gonna wash these and then we'll be able to put them on my bed. And then lastly, I honestly forgot what this is. Oh yeah, okay, so this is gonna be the light that goes on my nightstand. Instead of having this giant light that I have right now, I just really don't like this light. Like, it's very like kind of like ugly. I don't know, I used to love it. Very yellow. I don't I don't want it. So this will go on my nightstand, and that's all of my little packages. So this is by far the most anticipated part of this video for me, my vanity. I have been so excited to organize my vanity and be able to sit down, get ready. I am so excited to finally be able to do this. So here is the vanity that you saw me build, and then I also built this little chair from Amazon. So I had a little problem with the actual vanity itself because it actually came with an attached mirror. I'll put a picture here of what it was supposed to look like, but when I opened the box to put together my vanity, the mirror was broken, of course. I reached out to them and asked if they could send me a new mirror, but they were like, sorry, we don't do that. It has to be within a certain amount of days. And I was like, crap, what am I gonna do? I guess now I have to order a new mirror to just like put against it, which was like really upsetting because I like liked the whole way that it looked, all like would match. So I went to IKEA online. I didn't go to IKEA. And then I found this one, and even though it's like actually like kind of massive, I feel like it looks really good. I actually love it, and the gold from my mirror adds like a different like vibe to the room instead of it just being more wood, and it also matches the gold of this big mirror over here. Okay, this is also another reason why I've been so excited to finally be able to do my vanity, and that's because I have so much stuff all over my room that belongs in my vanity that I haven't been able to put away because I haven't had a vanity. I filled up these 2 boxes with like makeup stuff and just things that need to go in my vanity, and then also this light, I just have like stuff resting on it that like belongs in or on my vanity. So we're going to use these cute little containers that I got on Amazon, and we're going to organize. I've seen so many like TikToks of girls like organizing their vanities with these like cute little containers, and I'm just so excited because that's like so fun. So it is now time for the long-awaited room tour. There are things that I'm going to eventually add to my room that I have yet to purchase or anything, just to like make the space better, to fill the walls and stuff. But I do want to give the tour now because it's mostly done and it's February 27th and I've been working on this video for like 2.5 months. Okay, so I'm going to start with my desk here. So the desk, the vanity, and the nightstand are all from Dowels. Dowels, I think that's how you say it. The desk is the only one that came without any issues. Like you saw, I had to contact for the nightstand to get a new piece because they forgot to send one, and then the mirror broke with the vanity. So the desk is the only thing that didn't have any issues, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this desk. I love the wood, I love the little compartments and everything. And then I just have a candle, I have all of my pens, pencils, and everything, my cameras, my laptop, my big computer, this little basket with like just some notebooks and stuff, and then my chair that I also absolutely love. It is so soft, so squishy, so comfortable. And then above this is one of my favorite things of my room. It's my corkboard, and I just feel like it's laid out so perfectly. And then you come over here and I have my little shoe rack. I've had this for a while, but it is pink, so it matches everything. And then I just put up these 3 posters, and then my big perfect mirror. I am obsessed with this mirror. And then next to my mirror I have my nightstand, which again I did have the issue with, but other than that it's perfect. I just have this light that I got, and you can change colors, like it'll go through all of the colors. And then I have a candle, my alarm clock, my little thank you next vinyl, little coaster. And then in here I just have my journals and some contacts and stuff. And then in here I have all of like my lotions, perfumes, just extra stuff. And then my bed, and I love the way that my bed turned out. So my bed is actually from IKEA, and then my bookshelf is also from IKEA, and I love my bookshelf. I take huge pride in my bookshelf. I love the way it looks. I think the wood is just such a perfect color, and it like matches everything. And then I just have like a little shrine to my boyfriend right here. And then over here is my vanity, another gold mirror because I like the way that they match the gold. And again, this mirror is not the one that originally comes with the vanity, so if you do get this vanity, it'll come with its own mirror. So you can either just use that one, assuming that it doesn't come broken, or you can order a mirror and just not build the other one onto it, just like get your own, put it with the vanity. So I just have a little jewelry stand here. I have my makeup brushes, this little candle, my 2 perfumes, and then this mushroom lamp that I absolutely love, and then some Ariana Grande posters with little bows. And then you guys saw me decorate, or you guys saw me organize this. These little containers are absolutely everything. I will definitely have the containers linked down below because they can be used for anything. And then my little vanity chair, literally the perfect shade of pink. It literally matches my bed so well, and the gold matches my mirror, so it's literally the perfect little chair, and it's so comfortable. And then lastly, I have this rug which I got at Bed Bath & Beyond, and as you could probably see, my walls are very bare. Like, this is above my bed, there's like nothing. And then these curtains, my dad hates my curtains. He's like you need to get different curtains, the gray looks so bad. And I've had these curtains for years, and I don't know what color to get, but for now I don't think the gray looks terrible, but eventually that will change. And then I'm also going to do a little bit more wall decor up over there. So after almost 3 months of filming this video, my room is finally done. I absolutely love it. I went from hating being in my room, literally avoiding being in my room, to not wanting to leave ever. I swear, since I redid my room, my family has seen me less and less. I love being in my room. It's so cozy, it's so pink. I designed the whole thing myself. I painted all by myself. I built all my furniture by myself. Literally did everything by myself, and I know people do that all the time with their like whole houses, whole apartments, whatever, but I'm just so proud of myself because this was like my first like big like design sort of project, and I love the way that it turned out. So I will have everything linked down below, all the things that I can either find or remember to link. If there's anything that I missed, just let me know in the comments and I will give you the link.
Before closing out the video, I do want to show you guys a before and after. So here's the before of my room. And here is the after.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys so very soon. Bye!